Here is the 22-gallon fuel cell mounted in the trunk. Hey Greg.
How are you?
Good, good.
Fits nice and
This is accessories added to the LS3. Came in last week and they've been mounted. Beginning to look like a real engine bay. Molding has been added to the hood louvers. The louvers were removed to expedite the installation of the molding underneath the hood. Inner fenders were also added. So we got full inner and outer fenders. Next, they're going to be measuring for wheels on the front to see if any modifications need to be made to the inner or outer fenders to fit the wheels. I'm looking to put in either 9.5 inch wheels. They say they can do 10, but I'll believe it when I see it. Here's the louvers.